There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle. The other is as though everything is a miracle. 2. If you want your children to be intelligent, read them fairy tales. If you want them to be more intelligent, read them more fairy tales. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. 4. Try not to become a man of success. Rather, become a man of value. 5. The most beautiful experience we can have is the mysterious. It is the fundamental emotion that stands at the cradle of true art and true science. 6. Gravitation is not responsible for people falling in love. 7. Never memorize something that you can look up. 8. Creativity is intelligence having fun. 9. Whoever is careless with the truth in small matters cannot be trusted with important matters. 10. Great spirits have always encountered violent opposition from mediocre minds. 11. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. 12. It would be possible to describe everything scientifically, but it would make no sense. It would be without meaning, as if you described a Beethoven symphony as a variation of wave pressure. 13. A question that sometimes drives me hazy. Am I or are the others crazy? 14. Blind belief in authority is the greatest enemy of truth. 15. Logic will get you from A to Z. Imagination will get you everywhere. 16. The world is a dangerous place to live, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it. 17. We all know that light travels faster than sound. That's why certain people appear bright until you hear them speak. 18. If we knew what it was we were doing, it would not be called research, would it? 19. I must be willing to give up what I am in order to become what I will be. 20. Everything must be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. No special talents, Albert Einstein. Quote, 21. I have no special talents. I am only passionately curious. 22. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existence. One cannot help but be in awe when he contemplates the mysteries of eternity, of life, of the marvelous structure of reality. It is enough if one tries merely to comprehend a little of this mystery each day. 23. Love is a better master than duty. 24. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. 25. Reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. 26. What is right is not always popular, and what is popular is not always right. 27. It is not that I'm so smart, but I stay with the questions much longer. 28. The pursuit of truth and beauty is a sphere of activity in which we are permitted to remain children all our lives. 29. Once you can accept the universe as matter, expanding into nothing that is something, wearing stripes with plaid comes easy. 30. You never fail until you stop trying. 31. I am enough of an artist to draw freely upon my imagination. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world.